Hello and a warm welcome. In many companies, I observe the decision-making process is very easy. There's a manager, and this manager is in command and control, and she or he has to take the decision. As the world becomes more and more complex, and we have to deal with a really high dynamic in the markets, I think we need to ask our companies and our organizations the question, is there a better way for decision making? And we think there is one. And to test it and to feel it and to gain the first experience for this, we would like to invite you to a leadership workshop. In this leadership workshop, we will work with a methodology from Jürgen Appelo and try out different decision approaches. So from the approach we all know, the decision-making from a manager, to the end, a decision-making from the team, and many steps in between. And we want to find out, especially for your company, for your context, what could be potentially a better way to decide? And this is what this workshop is for. And perhaps we see us there in this workshop. Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye. Cheers.